So we're back. So this time, what we're going to learn is the basic trigonometric differentiation. So it involves trigonometric functions. So recall lang natin, ano ba yung anim na trigonometric functions? We have the sine, you have the cosine, we have the tangent, we have the cotangent, we have the cosecant, and we have the secant. At alam naman natin na ang cotangent ay 1 over tangent lang, ang cosecant ay 1 over sine, at ang secant ay 1 over cosine. Okay? Next, what if binigyan tayo ng sine x? Okay? So yung sine, this is your trigonometric function. Yung x is yung tinatawag nating theta, or yan po yung angle natin. Okay? And then, magkaparehas ba ang sine x at sine x squared at sine squared x? Okay? Sa calcu, parehas lang po yung treatment nila. Okay? Ang ibig sabihin kasi ng sine squared x ay sine of x. Tapos yung buong function na yan ay naka-square. So, ganyan po. Ang ibig sabihin ng sine squared x. Okay? So, kapag ini-input nyo sa calcu, pwedeng i-type nyo muna to tapos i-square nyo po. Okay? So, yun lang yung kailangan nating i-recall para makapag-differentiate po tayo. So, I guess you're ready to the next level of differentiation formulas. So, copy your notes. Okay, so the first formula is for the sine function. So take note that the derivative of sine of u with respect to x is equals to cosine of u times derivative of u with respect to x. Remember that u is a function of x. Okay, check lang natin yung formula. Yung sine, kapag dinerivative mo, magiging cosine. Tapos, huwag mong kakalimutang i-derivative yung angle natin, yung theta natin. At ito yun. Derivative of u with respect to x. So, let us have examples. So, example number 1, what if meron kang sine of 8x squared? I-derivative natin to. So, derivative of sine 8x squared. Pagmukhain muna natin tong katulad nito. Diba? Ang u doon ay yung angle natin. So, u is equals to 8x squared. Next, kuhain natin ang derivative ng u with respect to x. du is equals to 16x. So, this will become derivative of sine of u times du dx. Di ba kamukha na? So, ano ang derivative ng sine u? It is cosine of u. Sorry, may mali ako. Di ba kamukha na nito? Okay? So, anong derivative ng sine u? Cosine u. Tapos, huwag mong kakalimutan, i-derivative mo yung buo, which is du dx. Ngayon, ibalik natin sa original. U. Cosine, ano ba yung u? 8x squared. Times du dx, which is 16x. Okay? To further simplify it, hindi mo po i-multiply ang 8x squared sa 16x. Mali po yun. Si 16x, i-multiply mo dito sa buo. Kaya ito ay magiging 16x cosine 8x squared. Okay? Ang madalas pagkamalalang estudyante, yung du dx ay minumultiply dito po sa angle natin, which is very wrong. So, ganito po dapat ang kalalabsan Yan. Okay? So that is our example number 1. Then, next example. What if you were asked to find the derivative of sine of square root of 1 plus x squared? Okay? Again, ito ay pagmukhain natin katulad nito, kung saan yung angle ay inilelet u natin. So, u is equals to square root of 1 plus x squared. Para ma-derivative yan, isulat mo yan into exponential form. Ano exponential form ng radical? Di ka naka-raise lang po yan sa 1/2. Again, kung cube root yun, edi raised to 1/3. So, this is 1 plus x squared raised to 1/2. And using your basic differentiation formulas, du, ano ang mangyayari? Bababa po yung 1/2, 1 plus x squared. Babawasan mo yung 1/2 ng 1, pero hindi ka pa doon tapos kasi i-derivative mo pa yung buo. Anong derivative ng 1 plus x squared? Anong derivative ng 1? 0. Hindi ko na isusulat. Anong derivative ng x squared? 2x po. Okay? So, makikita nyo, makakancel lang naman to at kung isi-simplify ko, bababa tong 1 plus x squared, 1/2 minus 1 kasi 1/2 minus 1 ay negative 1/2. At ang ginagawa natin sa exponent na negative, kapag nasa taas siya, ibinababa po natin. So this is equals to x all over 1 plus x squared raised to 1/2. Pero ibalik natin into radical expression since ang given natin ay naka-radical din po. So that is x all over square root of 1 plus x squared. So, meron na po tayong du, nakapag-let u na din tayo. So, mag-derivative na tayo. So, what is the derivative of sine of u? That is cosine of u times du dx. Okay? U, x yung given natin, di ibalik po natin. Cosine, what is u? Is square root of 1 plus x squared. What is du dx? This one, x all over square root of 1 plus x squared. Then, simplify lang natin. Again guys it's a wrong thing to do na yung angle i-multiply mo sa du dx. Hindi po ganon. So this will become x cosine square root of 1 plus x squared na naka-radical all over square root of 1 plus x squared. Okay? Ang isa pang maling ginagawa ng estudyante guys, take note, ikina-cancel po yun. Again, hindi po kasi ito ay angle. Okay? Huwag niyo pong gagawin yun. So, copy your notes. Okay, so the next trigonometric function is cosine function. Okay? The derivative of cosine of u, again, u is a function of x, is negative sine of u times the derivative of u with respect to x. Ngayon guys, may negative. Lahat ng trigonometric function na may letter C sa unahan, cosine, cotangent, cosecant, kapag diniderivative yun, may negative po sa gitna. Okay, so technique lang yun para hindi kayo malito at hindi nyo malimutan kung alin ang positive, alin ang negative. Again, lahat ng may letter C sa unahan, cosine, cotangent, cosecant, pag dinerivative mo, pag dinifferentiate mo, may minus or may negative sign. Okay, so example natin, cosine 5x. So, i-derivative natin ang cosine 5x. So, derivative of cosine of 5x. Again, para hindi ka mahirapan, ito pagmukhain mong ganito. yung angle, i-let u natin. So, let u is equals to 5x. Then, get the derivative of u, which is derivative ng 5x. Diga? 5 lang. Okay? So, ito ay magiging derivative of cosine of u. Ano ang derivative ng cosine of u? Eh, dito pong formula natin. Negative sine of u times du dx. Ngayon, ibalik natin. What is u? 5x. So, negative sine of 5x times du dx, which is 5. Again, huwag mong i-multiply itong 5 doon sa angle natin or sa theta natin. So, this is negative 5 sine of 5x. Okay, so yan na po ang ating cosine function. What if ganito naman yung binigay sa atin? Cosine of negative 8x. Okay? So, recall lang natin guys yung trigonometry natin. Kapag ikaw ay may sine ng negative theta, yan ay equal sa negative sine theta. Pag ikaw ay merong cosine of negative theta, yan ay equal sa cosine of theta. As you can see, nagiging absolute value lang kapag cosine. Pag sine, lumalabas po yung negative. So, paano natin i-derivative ang cosine of negative 8x? Which is our example number 4. So, yung cosine of negative 8x ay equals lang sa cosine of 8x. O kaya, sinimplify ko muna. Again, the derivative of cosine of 8x. Let lang po ulit ako ng u, which is 8x. And then, derivative ko ang 8x, which is 8. Magiging kamukha na, derivative of cosine of u. Again, what is the derivative of cosine of u? Sine of u times du dx. So this is equals to, that is negative sine of u times du dx. But what is u? 8x. So negative sine of 8x times 8, our du dx. So this is equals to negative 8 sine of 8x. So now we have already explained the cosine function. Huwag niyong kakalimutan yung property natin sa trigonometry ha. Kapag may negative angle ka po dito. Okay? Again, kapag sine, negative yung angle, lalabas yung negative. Pag cosine, hindi na po lalabas yung negative dahil C, kontra na yung negative. Kontra sine. Okay po? Sana ay nauunawaan niyo. Okay? Copy your notes. So, paano naman kapag ganito yung example natin? What is the derivative of sine of 3x squared times the cosine of 8x? Okay? So, kung nakita nyo, may product tayo. At kung babalikan nyo yung basic differentiation rules, kapag may product tayo, meron tayong u at meron tayong v. So, this is u, this is v. Okay, pag mumukhain natin tong derivative of u, v. Para ang magiging solution natin ay u dv plus v du. Okay? So, u ko is sine of 3x squared. Kukuhain ko yung derivative ng u. Ano ang derivative ng sine? cosine. Pero hindi ka pa tapos kasi hindi mo pa nadiderivative yung loob, which is 3x squared. Anong derivative ng 3x squared? Bababa si 2. So, 2 times 3x. Yung exponent, babawasan mo ng isa. So, ito ay magiging x na lang. 3. 3 times 2, 6. So, your du is 6x cosine of 3x squared. Okay? Next, v. My v is cosine of 8x. So, ano yung derivative ng v? Anong derivative ng cosine? Negative sine. So, negative sine of 8x. Titigil ka na ba? Hindi pa. I-derivative mo pa yung loob kasi yung du dx natin. Derivative ng 8x is simply 8. Therefore, dv is equals to negative 8 sine of 8x. And then, gawin na natin to. Yung udv plus vdu. So, of uv, sulat ko lang ulit, is u dv plus v du. Your u is sine of 3x squared. While my v is negative 8 sine of 8x. Plus v, which is cosine of 8x, times du, which is 6x cosine 3x squared. Simplify lang natin. This is equals to negative 8 sine of 3x squared times sine of 8x. Sir, pwede ba namin pagsamahin? Pwede bang gawin na lang namin sine squared? Hindi po, kasi magkaiba po yung angle natin. Kung nagkataong yan ay parehas 8x, edi magiging sine squared 8x po yan. Plus 6x cosine of 8x cosine of 3x squared. Tingnan lang natin kung may masisimplify pa tayo. Meron. Common factor ng 8 at 6 ay 2. So, labas lang ako dito. Negative 2 times 4 sine 3x squared sine of 8x minus 3x cosine of 8x cosine of 3x squared. Okay? Negative 2 times 4, negative 8. Negative 2 times negative 3, positive 6. So, kung nakita nyo, ginamit ko lang yung formulas dun sa first topic natin para ma-solve yung ganitong situation. Kaya huwag nyo kakalimutan yung basic differentiation formulas natin. Kaya nga siya ay basic. Okay? So, next is our third trigonometric function, which is the tangent. So, the derivative of tangent of u is equals to secant squared of u times the derivative of u with respect to x. Tangent of u, ang derivative niyan, pag dinifferentiate yan ay secant squared u. Again, yung tangent, hindi siya nagsisimula sa letter C, kaya wala tayong negative sa unahan. Okay? So, example number 6. What is the derivative of tangent of x raised to 3 halves. Again, yung technique natin, ito ay pagmukhain mong ganito para dito lagi ka papatak. Dito ka lagi babagsak. So, u is equals to x raised to 3 halves. So, du, derivative mo lang to, differentiate mo lang to, mababa sa 3 halves. Si 3 halves, maminusan mo ng 1. So, 3 halves. So, ang 3 halves ay 1.5. 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5 or simply 1 half. Okay? Sir, ba't hindi mo ginawang radical? 1 half. Ano po ba yung given natin? Exponential. Kapag ang given ay exponential, be uniform, exponential ka hanggang dulo. Kapag ang given ay radical, di tsaka ka dun mag-radical. Okay po? So, this is equals to the derivative of tangent of u. What is the derivative of tangent of u? That is equals to secant squared of u times the derivative of u with respect to x. So, ibalik lang natin, ano ang u? X raised to 3 halves. So, secant squared x raised to 3 halves times du dx, which is 3 halves times x raised to 1 half. Simplify ko lang. This is equals to 3 secant squared x raised to 3 halves. Nakalimutan ko lang yung x dito, sorry. So, 3x raised to 1 half all over 2. Okay, and this is our final answer. Okay, so next example. What if you were asked to find the derivative of tangent of x squared all over x squared? Kung nakita mo, meron tayong quotient. Meron tayong u, meron tayong v. At kung meron tayong derivative of u over v, paano nga to? V du minus u dv all over v squared. Okay, so maglet lang ulit tayo ng u, tsaka maglet lang ulit tayo ng v. So your u is tangent of x squared. At anong derivative ng tangent? Secant squared x squared. Pero hindi ka pa titigil kasi hindi mo pa nadiderivative yung loob. Ang derivative ng x squared ay 2x. Again, maling i-multiply mo ang 2x sa x squared. Dito mo po ilalagay sa unahan. So that is equals to 2x secant squared x squared. Next, your v is x squared. Okay? What is the derivative of x squared? Bababa lang si 2. Si 2 maminusan mo ng 1, which is x raised to 1. And then, ano yung v squared ko? I-square ko lang ang x squared, di ba? X raised to 4. And then, i-perform ko tong derivative of u over v. Again, nandun lang din to sa basic differentiation formula po natin. So, of u over v, yung v natin is x squared. Du natin is 2x secant squared x squared minus u, which is x squared. I'm sorry, u which is tangent of x squared. dv natin, which is 2x. All over v squared, which is x raised to 4. Simplify lang natin to. X squared times 2x, that is 2x cubed. Secant squared of x squared minus 2x tangent of x squared all over x raised to 4. Kaya lang guys, may common factor sila, oh. Pag i-factor out ko to, that is equals to 2x x squared secant of x squared minus tangent of x squared all over x raised to 4. Makikita nyo, makakancel lang yung isang x, magiging x cubed na lang to. So, our final answer, dito ko na lang ilalagay, is equals to 2 quantity of x squared secant squared of x squared minus tangent of x squared all over x cubed. X cubed. At yun na po yung final answer natin. So, kung nakita nyo, ginamit ko lang ulit yung basic differentiation formula natin. So, copy your notes. So, the next formula is for the secant of u. Okay? So, the derivative of secant of u is sec u tan u times du dx. So, example, what if we have derivative of secant of x raised to 5 halves? Okay, again, ito, pagmukhain mong ganito. So, u is equals to x raised to 5 halves. du, bababa si 5 halves. Dahil bumabasa, babawasan mo ng isa. So, 5 halves minus 1, or simply 2.5 minus 1 is 1.5. At ang 1.5 sa fraction ay 3 over 2. Okay? So, napagmukhaan ko ng ganito. So, ano ang derivative ng secant of u? Sec u times tan u all multiplied by du dx. Okay, ano nga kasi yung du dx ko? Ang du dx ko ay 5 over 2 x raised to 3 halves. So, 5 over 2 x raised to 3 halves. Okay, so our answer will be 5 secant. What is u? X raised to 5 halves. What is u? X raised to 5 halves. So that is 5 x raised to 3 halves times sec u tan u all over 2. So that is our final answer. As you can see, differential calculus is just based on the formulas. Paano hindi mo gagawin sa uluhin lahat ng formulas? Mag-solve ka lang na mag-solve hanggat yung sa utak mo ay maka-adapt na sa kung anong gagawin kapag nakita mo yung isang scenario. Okay? What if you are given this case? What is the derivative of x secant of x? Okay? So as you can see, we have here a product. You have a u and you have a v. So this is u. This is v. Okay? So what we're going to do is to perform the differentiation formula for product, which is the derivative of uv is equals to u dv plus v du. So, yung u ko ay x. Ang du or derivative ng x ay simply 1. Next, ang v ko ay secant of x. At ang derivative ng secant of x or yung dv natin is sec u or sec x tan u. So, tan x times derivative of u with respect to x. Derivative ng x, 1 lang po. Eh, hindi ko na ilagay kasi 1 lang naman po yun. And then, gawin na natin to. u dv plus v du. So, yung u ko ay x, ang dv ko ay secant of x, tangent of x, plus v ko, which is secant of x. dvu ko, which is just 1. So, kung makikita nyo, may common factor dito at yun po yung x, so, ay yung secant x. So, ilabas ko na secant of x quantity, x tangent of x. Nawala ng secant x, so matitira na lang ay 1. And here is the final answer. As you can see again, paulit-ulit, ginamit ko lang yung basic differentiation formula para ma-solve at ma-evaluate yung pinapaderivative sa atin. So, combination na to ng first at yung topic natin ngayon. So, pag di kayo masyadong maayos dun sa isa, medyo mahihirapan ka kayong i-adapt tong second set ng formulas natin. Okay? So, copy your notes. So, this time is yung ating palima na trigonometric function, which is cotangent. So, the derivative of cotangent of u is equals to negative cosecant of u times du dx. Sorry, cosecant squared u. Again, dahil yung function natin ay nagsisimula sa letter C, meron pong negative sa unahan. Okay? So, solve this problem if x equals cotangent of 3 theta plus 1. If x is equals to cotangent squared 3 theta plus 1, find the derivative of x with respect to theta. So this time, hindi na with respect to x yung pag-derivative natin. With respect to theta na po. Again, derivative of x with respect to theta. Okay? So, tingnan muna natin yung example. Cotangent squared 3 theta plus 1. Naka-square na po yung function natin. So, derivative of x with respect to theta of cotangent squared 3 theta plus 1. So, ang gagawin nyo lang dito is yung pangalawa nating formula. Kasi, applicable yun dito. So, ang mangyayari, itong buong-buong munang ito, cotangent squared muna. Yung 2, bababa, cotangent, dahil bumaba yung 2, bawasan mo ng isa, 3 theta plus 1. Okay? Tapos, i-derivative mo naman yung mismong cotangent 3 theta plus 1. Anong derivative ng cotangent of u? Negative cosecant squared ng u. Eh, ang u natin yung 3 theta plus 1. So, derivative ng cotangent is negative cosecant squared 3 theta plus 1. Itigil ka na ba? Hindi pa po kasi hindi ko pa nadiderivative yung angle ko, which is 3 theta plus 1. Anong derivative ng 3 theta with respect to theta? That is just simply 3. Parang derivative of 3x with respect to x lang po. So, 3, derivative of 1 with respect to theta, wala yung theta, wala yung nire-respeto mo, isi-zero mo lang po yun. So, isi-simplify ko lang. This will become, may negative dito, lagay ko na sa unahan negative 2. Cotangent, 2 minus 1 is just 1. 3 theta plus 1 cosecant squared 3 theta plus 1. Nakalimutan ko pa pala yung 3 dito na i-times dun sa 2. So, 2 times 3 is just 6. And this will be your final answer. Okay? Sa mga nalilito, sir, bakit mo i-derivative yung squared? Kasi parang ganito lang po yung ginawa ko. Ano yung derivative ng 2x? Yan. Ano yung derivative ng 2x cubed all raised to 2? Di ka kapag ganyan, ang gagawin mo, i-derivative mo muna yung buo. Kasi di ba yung formula natin, derivative of a times u raised to n ay equal sa bababa yung n times a u raised to n minus 1. So, ang mangyayari, bababa si 2x cubed, 2 minus 1, and then i-derivative mo yung buo, yung loob, sorry. Bababa si 3 times 2, bumaba si 3, bawasan mo ng isa ngayon, and yan na. Sisimplify lang natin. So that is equal to 2 times 2, which is just 4. Sorry. 2 times 2x cubed. 2 minus 1 is just 1. Times 3 times 2x squared. So 3 times 2x squared. So 2 times 2, 4 times 2. 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12 times 2, 24. X cubed times x squared. Same base. Anong gagawin sa exponent? Add lang po. So, 3 plus 2, 5. Kaya ang final answer ay 24x raised to 5. So, yung ginawa ko dito ay parang ganito lang po. Kung saan yung isang function ay naka-raise pa sa exponent. Okay? So, pag ini-evaluate ang ganon, yung buo muna, bago sa loob, bago yung pinaka-angle natin. Okay guys, huwag malilito. So, copy your notes. So, this time, ang gagawin naman natin ay mag-i-evaluate tayo ng derivative natin. So, if x equals cotangent 5a theta, gagawin kong 8a theta, find find x prime of pi over 3. Okay, so paano ba natin yan gagawin? Kung naaalala nyo yung isang topic natin sa pag-evaluate, yung kapag na-differentiate natin, isa-substitute lang natin. Okay? So, ibig sabihin lang nito, kapag na-differentiate natin, lahat ng theta, papalitan natin ng pi over 3. May kulang pala dito. If a is equals to 1. Okay? So, yung 8a, constant lang po yan. Huwag mong isipin na variable yan. Hindi po. Kasi, nagdiderivative tayo ng x with respect to theta. Lahat ng hindi theta, ititreat natin as constant. Kung yun ay 8 theta times theta, edi yung theta times theta ay variable natin. So, what is a derivative of x with respect to theta? So, given that x is cotangent 8a theta. Okay, recall, what is the derivative of cotangent? That is negative cosecant squared of u or 8a theta. Huwag mong kalimutang i-derivative yung 8a theta with respect to theta. So, parang ano lang yung derivative ng 8x, huwag mong pansinin yung a. So, ang derivative ng 8x with respect to x is 8. So, ang derivative ng 8 theta with respect to theta is 8. Kaya nga lang, sabi ko sa inyo, i-treat mo din yung a as constant. So, 8a. Okay? Halilito ba? Parang ganito lang. What is the derivative of 3xy with respect to x. Ang gagawin natin ay explicit differentiation lang po Hindi pa po yung mga higher topics natin na implicit. So, i-arrange ko lang ano yung derivative ng 3yx. Okay? Huwag mong isiping may y dyan. Anong derivative ng 3x? 3. Sino laging katabi ng 3? Si y. So, yun po. At ganito lang din yung nangyari sa derivative of 8a theta. So, rearrange ko lang. This is negative 8a cosecant squared 8a theta. So, para makita natin yung pinapa-evaluate sa atin na x prime na pi over 3, guys, hindi po y prime kasi hindi ito nakalet y. Nakalet x to. Kaya x prime po yun. Okay? So, x prime of pi over 3, ibig sabihin, lahat ng theta ko dito, papalitan ko lang ng pi over 3. At the same time, binigay sa atin na ang a ay equal sa 1. Actually, sa una pa lang, pwede mo nang palitan dito yung a ng 1 para hindi ka na nalilito. Okay? So, that is negative 8. A is 1. Kaya lang, not all the time, 1 yung binibigay sa a. Baka mamaya, 0.5 po yun. Okay? 8 times 1, because that is a, cosecant squared. 8, a is 1, theta is pi over 3. Ngayon, paano mo ipapasok sa calcu mo si cosecant? Si cosecant ay wala sa calcu. Remember that cosecant is equals to 1 over sine. So, si cosecant squared ay pag tinype sa calcu, ganyan po yung gagawin nyo. And siguraduhin nyo na ang calcu nyo ay naka-mode radian. Paano po i-mode radian? Sa mga ganito yung calcu, shift mode. Makikita mo doon, deg, gra, psi, rad, fix, norm. So, yung rad po ay number 4. So, pindutin mo lang yung 4. At makikita nyo doon sa taas ng calcu nyo, may letter R. Ibig sabihin, ang calculator nyo ay naka-radian mode na po. So, kapag tinype ko to sa calcu, negative 8 times 1, paano ko nga itatype ang cosecant squared? Ganito po. So, that is calcu 8 times 1 times pi over 3. Okay, yan po ang ipapasok nyo sa calcu. Ayusin ko lang. 8 times 1 times pi over 3. Ngayon, bakit ba muna kailangang i-mode radian? Kasi yung angle natin ay naka-radian, hindi po yan naka-degrees. Kung yan ay 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 65 degrees, gawin mong deg. Alin yung deg? Degree mode. Shift mode, yung deg ay number 3 lang po. Pero since nga ang angle natin ay naka-radian, di gawin mo, radian ang calculator mo. At kapag tinype yun sa calcu ko, negative 8 times 1 times pi over 3. Ang magiging sagot po ay negative 32 over 3. Okay? So, yan na po ang ating final answer. So, ganyan lang yung pag-i-evaluate, Okay? So, copy your notes. So we're down to the last formula, and this time it is for cosecant. So the derivative of cosecant of u is equals to negative cosecant of u times the cotangent of u times the derivative of u with respect to x. Again guys, since yung function natin ay nag-i-start sa letter C, para madaling tandaan, pag nag-i-start sa letter C, may negative po sa unahan. Okay? You see? Negative. Okay? So, how will you differentiate x squared times the cosecant of 3x? Okay, as you can see, we now have a product. This is u, this is v. At pwede kong isulat yan na derivative of u times v with respect to x. At again, katulad ng kanina, u dv plus v du lang po. Okay? So what is my u? It's x squared. What is the derivative of u? That is 2x. Next, what is my v? Cosecant of 3x. What is the derivative of v? Negative cosecant of 3x times cotangent of 3x. Then, derivative mo yung 3x, which is 3. At pwede ko yung i-rewrite na negative 3 cosecant of 3x times cotangent of 3x. Okay? And then, i-perform ko na. u dv plus v du, since product po tayo. So, yung u ko ay x squared. dv ko is negative 3 cosecant of 3x times the cotangent of 3x plus v, which is cosecant of 3x, times derivative of u, which is just 2x. So, as you can see, may common factor tayo, which is x. Tapos x squared, ilabas ko yung isang x. So, that is x times negative 3 times x cosecant of 3x times cotangent of 3x plus, wala na dito yung x kasi inilabas ko na, ang natira na lang ay si 2 cosecant of 3x. Meron pa bang ulang? Meron pa, kasi kung makikita mo, common factor din nila si cosecant. So, ilabas ko pa. So, x times cosecant of 3x times negative 3x. Nawala na dito yung cosecant kasi inilabas ko na. So, cotangent na lang yung natira. Plus 2. And that is our answer. So, copy your notes. So, let me just summarize the basic differentiation formulas for trigonometric equations. So, again, pag may derivative ako ng sine of u, that is equals to cosine of u times the derivative of u with respect to x. Second, kapag meron akong cosine of u, that is equals to negative sine of u times du dx. So kung nakita nyo, kapag sine at cosine, nagbabaligtad lang, kaya lang kapag may cosine tayo, since letter C yan, may negative tayo sa unahan. Next, what if I have the derivative of tangent of u? That is equals to secant squared of u times du dx. Then, what if I have the derivative of cotangent of u? That is equals to negative. Unang-una kasi alam kong letter C yung start, no? Cosecant square of u times du dx. Tangent, secant, cotangent, cosecant. Kaya lang, negative sa unahan. Next, I have the derivative of secant of u, and that is equals to sec u tan u times du dx. At kung may secant, may cosecant. So that is equals to negative cosecant of u times cotangent of u times du dx. Kung nakita nyo guys, kung paano ko in-arrange, depende sa kung sino yung magkakamukha. Okay? Sine at cosine, nagbabaligtadan lang. Tangent at cotangent, yung co-function lang nila. Tingnan nyo, tangent, secant, cotangent, edi cosecant, may negative sa una. Secant u, negative sec u, tan u. So ano ay na-expect sa cosecant? Edi parang kamukha lang, which is anong co-function ng secant? Negative cosecant, co-function ng tangent, cotangent. Letter C, kaya may negative sa unahan. So, this is our topic for trigonometric function differentiation. I hope you will review all the examples and solve more examples on our handbook. So that's all for today. Thank you for attending my class. Goodbye.